And here we are with the finished product. So this is a 1972 Jimmy, very OEM. Everything is back pretty much as it would have come off the factory floor. All the nuts and bolts were preserved. Got the right hose clamps. Came in here and put the grease pencil marks back on the firewall. I think you can see that. So 211S was stamped on the original vehicle. All the hoses. Has a 134 converted air conditioning with a billet POA valve made to look like the original Quadrajet numbered carburetors, fully restored, proper tinned in alternator. So everything about this truck is put back as close to what we could do from the factory. Re-chromed all the eyebrows, grills. It is 4-wheel drive, so rebuilt all the front axles. Got new old stock hubcaps on it. Put all the badging back in place. On the inside, part of the reason we're redoing this is we ordered the seat fabric, and 14 months later, they still hadn't gotten around to making it after multiple attempts. So we put temporary seat covering and then came in and once finally got around to delivering the correct seat material, we swapped out the temporary seat covers for these seat covers. But new SPID, have the original speaker. Didn't actually have one in the dash. There's no vent up in the dash for a speaker, so put the speaker back in. Original radio. These are actually the original sun visors, just cleaned up, and these are the original door panels, also cleaned up. So can't really buy the door panel that exactly matches this, so we preserved the original door panels. Redid the top. Used a Raptor U-Pole product to completely correct all the broken, cracked fiberglass. Rebuilt the hatch. Did have to go find a spare tire carrier, but got a spare tire carrier in there. New seat belts, all factory with the date-coded date tags on it. Got the GMC inset painted inside the tailgate. This was a standard vehicle, so the proper gas cap was a double ring painted to body color. So put that in place. This side replaced all the VIN stickers with the correct VIN decals. Again, got all the seat cushions sorted out with the correct pattern. Had to have this special made to match the original. So it just turned out really nice. Took about 820 hours to redo it. Doors sitting nice. And as one special feature here, we got the original 1972 Idaho inspection sticker expiring the 3rd month of 1973, which is when this sticker would have been. And everything just turned out super nice on it. So that's it. On to the next one.
today to begin managing, tracking, and documenting your restoration project.